Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn parts of speech. Lesson number 1. Understanding the different parts of speech is essential for building strong sentences. In this lesson, we will explore the 8 parts of speech that are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, interjections, and conjunctions. Noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, in this sentence, the dog barked loudly. The word dog is a noun because it is a thing. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun. For example, in this sentence, she loves to read. The word she is a pronoun that replaces a specific person's name. Verbs. A verb shows actions or a state of being. For example, in the sentence, she ran to the store. The word ran is a verb because it shows action. Now, what is adjectives? An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, in the sentence, the blue sky is beautiful. The word blue describes the noun that is sky. Adverbs. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. In the sentence, the bird sang beautifully. The word beautifully is an adverb describing how the bird sang. Prepositions. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun and another word. In the sentence, the bug is under the table. The word under is a preposition showing where the bug is in relation to the table. Interjections. An interjection is a word or phrase used to express emotion. For example, in the sentence, "Wow, I can't believe I won the race." The word wow is an interjection because it expresses sudden emotion. Conjunctions. A conjunction connects word, phrases, or clauses. For example, in the sentence, I wanted ice cream, but I had cake instead. The word but is a conjunction connecting two clauses. You can remember conjunction by using the mnemonics device fanboys. This is a review of this video. Noun. Noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Pronouns. A pronoun replaces a noun. Verbs. A verb shows action or state of being. Adjectives. An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. Adverbs. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Prepositions. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun and another word. An interjection is a word or phrase used to express emotion. Conjunctions. A conjunction connects word, phrases, or clauses. Let's practice part of speech. Identify the parts of speech of each underlined word. Pause this video and read each statement carefully and write down your answer. After this, I will show you the correct answer of all of these. Hope you guys got this. Here we go. These are the right answer. Hope you did well. Thank you so much for watching this video.